All right, buddy. I gotta get off to work. You want an apple? Of course you do. You gotta get going. Got my drive to go, and then you are gonna be having Grandma stop by here to say hi. She misses you. She wants to make sure that you're all good, and then she'll let you out. Here you go. I love you so much. Delicious. You know, you got your apple because it's a celebration day. You got your first solid poop in, almost a week. Glad you're feeling better, buddy. You're beautiful. I love you. I'll see you in a little bit, okay? You have fun with Grandma.